The region around Taxila has been inhabited since the Neolithic era, with archaeological evidence dating back to 1000 BCE. Earlier remains from the Early Harappan period, around 1300 BCE, have also been found, indicating that the area was once part of the broader Indus Valley civilization, which later declined and led to the abandonment of the region. Excavations at Sarai Khola, located southwest of the modern Taxila Museum, show the earliest signs of settlement between the late 4th and early 3rd millennium BCE. These findings include polished stone tools, chert blades, and highly burnished pottery, suggesting a sophisticated community that used woven baskets in pottery making and applied a clay slurry to pottery surfaces. Later layers at Sarai Khola reveal a transition to Kot Diji style ceramics, which were often wheel-thrown, reflecting advancements in technology around the mid to late 3rd millennium BCE. Taxila became the capital of the Gandhara Kingdom, an ancient Indo-Aryan realm in the northwestern part of South Asia. The first significant urban settlement appeared on the Hathiel Mound around 1000 BCE, and by 900 BCE, Taxila had established trade links with neighboring regions, such as Pukelvat. Another important archaeological site, the Beer Mound, shows evidence of habitation between 800 and 525 BCE, marked by grooved red burnished pottery and a growing urban culture. In the 6th century BCE, Taxila came under the rule of the Persian Achaemenid Empire. Historical records indicate that Darius I of Persia launched military campaigns across Central Asia and moved into the Indus Valley, including Taxila. He spent the winter of 516 to 515 BCE in the Gandhara region, which included Taxila, marking the city's significance in the Persian Empire's easternmost territories. More informative videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.